What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Google Pixel 4 XL against the Redmi K20 Pro. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU, 6GB of RAM versus 8, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the K20 Pro finished first, and overall it scored a little higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the K20 Pro scored higher for the CPU, the GPU and the memory, and then the Pixel 4 XL scored higher for the UX. So that wraps up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.